Yep. I got him on the right side. Good.
Yeah. On your
I got one at Cafe. Oh. No, dead on sort of the meth lab. It's about like 20 yards out. So let's stick to the right. Hey, heads up, heads up. Stick to the right. Go to the right. Right.
Hey, you dropped the mag, Jeff.
We know.
Time to home all the dead players over there. Right, left, right side. Right side of that left door over there.
Yeah. Okay.
That was a good push. I admit, that was a good one.
What do you think? We hold right here?
We should hold.
All right. Guys, forget the meth flag. We're going to hold.
LOA.
Fall back from here.
You gotta hold them down though.
Yeah. Take a left. We'll hold this right here.
Oh, I got him, dude. Got the guy in the corner. There's still one in the bushes.
Hey, pull them out of there. Get them back in the village.
All right.